What's up and welcome back, it's TFT's channel. Today I'm unboxing the OPPO Reno Ace. Box print said OPPO Reno Ace name tag here, back side some barcodes here. It's a 256 GB storage and 8 GB RAM variant. And the specification design also same, little bit same on Realme X2 Pro. Okay, first I'm open the box, then compare to Realme X2 Pro versus OPPO Reno Ace. Yep, and inside of the box front side, on one more length mini box here, some paperwork here inside, more mobile phone, then free case. It's a transparent case and not hard case, it's a light case. Maximum it's protect your phone backside. Then AC adapter here, it's a super hook name time here. Yes guys, this device support 50 watts fast charging 0 to 100 just 30 minutes only, and little bit weight is high this adapter, but it's okay because 0 to 100 just 30 minutes it's acceptable. Then more box inside type C cable here, and it's a normal type C cable. Then SIM ejecting pin here, no headphone here inside the box. Okay, overall that's it. Okay guys, let's look the phone, and it's a little bit hard. Yeah, okay, minute, cool. Okay guys, what do you think guys, this phone looking amazing? Yeah, it's a blue color phone. Just remove the plastic. Wow guys, it's incredible. Yeah, right. Wow guys, handling feeling is really amazing. Just put the phone right side on volume maker case here, phone back side quad camera setup. I later look and see guys, phone back it's glass looking really amazing, great in finish, and the top it's the blue color and bottom side is the purple color, but it's great and it's really amazing feeling. Phone right side is a power button here, and the display is a 6.5 inches full HD plus resolution display. Display's top side water drop notch here. It's a Samsung Super AMOLED display, and also this display support the also this phone support in display fingerprint scanner. Wow, it's really amazing guys, because I really like this phone backside because its gradient is really amazing. This phone processor is a Snapdragon 855 plus, latest processor also is available on 6 GB RAM, 8 GB RAM, 64 GB, 128 GB storage variant. Phone backside is a quad camera setups here. Main camera is a 48 megapixel, second one is a 30 megapixel ultra wide, last one is a 8 megapixel telephoto lens, and fourth one is a 2 megapixel macro lens and 12 flashlight and OPPO branding. Guys, do you like this phone backside graded finish? Don't forget to like and comment now. Overall, this phone specification also equal the